How to disable Google Safe Search on mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to disable Google Safe Search on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up Google Chrome on your device. Then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of your phone. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. On the next menu, tap on Safe Browsing. Now here, you have the option to choose between Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, or No Protection. Although it says it's not recommended, this is the option that you need to choose to disable Google Safe Search. So tap on that option. It will ask you to confirm by tapping on Turn Off. And now, when you go back to Google, Safe Search will be disabled. And that's all it takes to disable Google Safe Search on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.